Hi, today I'm going to be telling you how you can get free items on Temu. Now, the free item and giveaways aren't as rampant as it used to be back then, but right now you can see that it's still pretty good deals because it's like up to 80% off, right? So you'll be paying very little for the price. Now, the thing we can do here, first off, is by utilizing coupons. Coupons are the most easy way we can lower our costs and get even cheaper items, right? So for example, here I want a auto storing cup like this. I just click on it, and then you can verify first, right? Verify first, validation successful. Now you can see that there's a couple of offer and coupons we can use. For example, there is a big sale going on right now. You can add to cart and it say 86% off. There's seasonal sales here as well, free shipping special for you. Now there's a lot of f- things here you can see, but for what it is, it's a pretty good deal, right? But if you want something completely free, then you will have to look out for something called a Temu giveaway. Now, these are seasonal and it's hosted pretty randomly, I think. But you can see there's a lot of giveaways here, right? So there was an iPhone giveaway, an AirPod, and there was a $50 giveaway. Uh, it should look like this, right? So Temu free items and giveaways. Now the things that you need to do here, you just have to check pretty often in Temu, and if they have something like this going on, free item and giveaway going on, then you can enter and get a free item in Temu. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.